everyone. The enhanced announcement feature Odoo app helps you to share and important updates across your organization with else. It allows you to create, manage, and send announcements to the right people, making internal communication smoother and more effective. Let's dive in and see how it works. After installing this module, let's get into the users where we can see a list of users. Now let's get into the administrator where we have given an access rights as an announcement manager. So this person have an access to create and manage, and we can send a mail, send a WhatsApp message to the all the attendees, and also we can drag and drop the announcement as per the priority wise. Now, let's get into the another user. So for this user, there is no access rights will be added for an announcement. So this user will be act as a normal user. They can view the announcement which are in the priority wise. So they can add a chat on the same announcement which we have created. Now, let's see how it works. Before getting into the announcement, we have an WhatsApp integration. So, for that, we need to get into the WhatsApp. Under the configuration, you can see an WhatsApp business account. So, for this, we need to create a Meta account to enable the phone number ID, account ID, access token, app secret, app ID. If you have any queries in this particular integration, you can just click on this icon where it will lead you to the documentation. Now, once the WhatsApp configuration setup is done, let's get into the announcements. So from here, you can see a list of announcements which we have created. There we have in multiple views like admin view, list view, and also in calendar view. Before getting into the view, on the top you can see an announcement list. So it will be listed based on the date, announcement date that we have added in the announcements. Now let's get into the announcement where you can see where we need to add a subject and we can add whether it is a general announcement or not, and if it is not, you can just add an announcement type whether it will be based on a specific user or else end user groups. If it is a specific user, we need to add a user over here. If it is a user group, you can just add an user groups over here. Okay. And in this, we can add an announcement date, valid up to, and also we can add a tag. So this tag will be shown on the view. And in this, we can add an content, and over here, we can add an attachments too. Now let it be. So where on the top you can see how many of them will be read and how many of them will be in the unread state. Now let's get into the Kanban view, where in the Kanban view you can see all the details about an announcements. Now on the below you can see some of the options. The first one will be an send by email. So we can send an announcement via email based on the recipients that we have added. Now let's send this. So it will send as a mail to the person which we have added as a user over here. Now like the same way if you get into the WhatsApp, so it will send an WhatsApp message to the person which we have added. And here you can see an option to read and unread logs where we can see how many of them will be read and how many of them will be in the unread state. And here in this there is a chat where we can chat like we can multiple user can chat over here. Every employee, every normal employee can even chat over here. So in this particular announcement we can see all the histories, and here you can see a drag option. So based on the priority wise we can drag it like the same way it will be reflected over here in the list view, and also we have a Kanban view too. And also we have an calendar view too, so where we can see an announcement based on the date wise. Now on the top we can see an announcement setup. So for example, if you log in into your account, so it will be open and wizard like this based on the announcement date that we have added. Now from this user can read and they can mark that as a read. Now you can see there is only one announcement left. So if I click on the mark as read, you can see that we need to be read will be none. Now let's log in as a normal user and see how the announcement works. Now I am in the normal user login. As you can see, while login it will show an announcement like this. Now let's mark as done, and there's another announcement too. Let's mark this as a done. So you can see there is a no announcement needs to be read it. So in this announcement of the normal employee, where they can view a list of announcements that they have based on the priority wise, which is drag, and then on the bottom we can see an option to add in chat, where we can add a chat by using this option, and we can see the log of all the chat from all the employees, and then where we have a list view and also a calendar view to view all the announcement which we have. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.